Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to activate Shopify payments. This payment gateway simplifies transactions for both you and your customer. So let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin. To do so, just go to your web browser and then type shopify.com. After that, you enter your account credentials and then you log in. Now that you're logged in and in the Shopify dashboard, click on Settings in the bottom left corner of your dashboard. It's right next to the gear icon. After that, select Payments. Enter the necessary detail including your business information and banking details for payouts. You can add payment methods, choose a provider, and payment capture methods. You can choose manual methods also, and you can customize your payment methods. After that, you complete this. After that, you complete the setup for activating the payments gateway. Once activated, it's important to test Shopify payments. Now, go to your store and make a test purchase using a test card provided by Shopify. Ensure that the transaction goes through smoothly. And that's it. You've successfully activated Shopify payments, making it easier to accept your payments in your store. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any further more questions, just leave them in the comment section below the video. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.